Hey guys, I'm back. So, I know I haven't been on this channel or posting any videos for like a month or two now. So, what I was actually doing was making a new YouTube channel called Study Life, which has a bit more than 200 subscribers right now. And I started it about 2 months ago. So, yeah, I've been making videos consistently on that. So, that's why I wasn't really able to post that frequently on this channel. So the future of this channel lies on you guys. If you want me to keep making number sense tricks videos, just comment down below. Otherwise, yeah, I might not. And do be sure to subscribe to my other channel. I'll leave a link in the description box. It's all about how to be more productive and how to study different topics. I even made a video about how to study math, so you can watch that too. It has some really good tips. And yeah, thanks for watching.